Good morning, student. Myself Amit Maheshwari, and today I am going to start your new exercise 14.2. So, your first question is the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Okay, you have taken a 30 student of class 8 and you have to ask them about their blood group. If you ask for the first student what is the blood group, then he say my blood group is A. Second one say B, third one say O, and then O, and then AB. Like that one, you have to maintain a record of 30 students. You have to maintain a record of the blood group 30 student. Now represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. Okay, and which is the common, most common, and the rarest. Most common, which one is the maximum, or most rarest, which one is the minimum. Now I will tell you how to make that table. You have to make a one table like that one. Here blood group you have to show here, and here you have to show blood group. Here you have to show telemark. You have to show frequency. Suppose you are asking A and then B and then O and then AB, like that one. So if A is there, one, write one more telemark here, then B, then one telemark in front of B, then O, then one telemark here, again O, then one telemark here, again AB, then write AB also and write one telemark here, and then O, again one telemark, and then A, then one telemark, and then O, again one telemark, A, one telemark, and then O. For the fifth, you have to make a telemark like that one. You have to start from the first stop and end with the last one. Okay, so like that one, you have to make a telemark for all the blood group A, B, O, and AB. Now I will show you on the board how to make. Just see, I will show you now. For the telemark, for the one, you have to draw like that one telemark. For the two, draw two telemark. 3 for 3 telemark, 4 for 4 telemark, and for the 5 you have to draw like that one 4 telemark in this, just in the symbol way, and the fifth one you have to write in a cross which says that the top of the first one meet with the end of the last one. This is the right way to represent the telemark for the fifth. Okay, if they are asking 6, then first draw for 5 1 2 3 4, and then touch like that one, and then fifth one, and then 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that one you have to do the telemark. Okay, so in that question, first you have to know that blood group, it is A, it is B, it is O, or it is AB. Like that one you have to put the blood group. If first one is A, then write one telemark here, and then second one is B, then write one telemark here, and third one O, then write two telemark here. Again just see, and then here O A O. What is O? Then write one A and then O. Like that one you have to do the telemark for all the blood group. In the last you have to write in number. It is 2, then write here 2. It is 1, then write here 1. It is 4, then write here 4. Like that one you have to make. Now I will show you on notebook how to make that table, frequency distribution table for that one. First you make a table. Frequency distribution table is given below. First you make 3 column. First column, second column, third column. Okay. It is the group A, it is the B, it is O, and it is AB. Now just the telemark. If there is A, like that one, if there is, just see, it is A B O O. Now how you write here A B O? Just write here one A and then B and then O and then O. Like that one, when you count all the blood group 30 student, you will get that telemark. Now in the last you have to count how many are there. 5 and 4 9, 5 and 1 6, 5 5 10 to 12. They are 3. Just add 9 6 15, 15 and 3 18, 18 and 12 30. In the question they say 30 students are there, you find it 30. It means your answer is correct. So you have to, like that one, you have to make a frequency distribution table. Right here blood group, and just see here how many. Just see, first one is A, then write one telemark here. Second one is B, write one telemark here. Then third one O, then write one telemark here. Again O, write again telemark here. Then again AB, then one telemark here. Then again A, then write one telemark here. Like that one you have to complete all the 30 students. In the last you will get that telemark as I write here. And the last you have to count. They are 9, they are 6, they are 12, they are 3. Just check, they are 30. It means your answer is correct. Now question is asking most common blood group. Whose value is more? 12 na. It means the number of students which have most common blood group is O. So most common blood group is what? O, because they have more in number. And rarest, which means which are not able to see. What is the rarest? Which is the minimum value here? 3. So third one is AB. So according from the table, most common blood group is O and the rarest blood group is AB. Okay, it is your answer. Now come on the next question. Next question is the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work found as follows. Okay. Now it is a distance of 40 engineer from their residence to their place of work. Suppose it is the house of engineer and it is the office of engineer. So one person who working there, so from their house to the office the distance is 5 kilometer. For the other one, because they are 40 engineers na, so other one distance from their house to the office is 3 kilometer, sorry. And for the third one, distance of their house from their office is 10 kilometer. Like that one they asked to the 40 engineer, and the first one told my difference between their house and the office is 5 kilometer. Second one say 3, third one say 10, and then 20, 25, 11, 13, 7, 12, 31. Like that one, all of the 40 engineers tell their distance between their house and their office. Now construct a group frequency distribution table. You have to make a frequency distribution table with class size 5. Class size 5 is means, now I will explain class size also here. Class size like that one, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Just see 5 come here also, 5 here come also. So in first interval you have to take only 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Don't count 5. 5 will count in the next one. Here 5 to 10, so you have to take here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't take 10. 10 will become in the next one. Okay. So like that one you have to take your class interval. So you have to take a class interval such as 0 to 5, as 5 is not included as I told you, and class size 5 means gap between them is only 5, 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, like that one you have to take. Okay, now just come on the answer. You have to make a frequency distribution table. And what mean feature do you observe from the tabular representation? Okay, after making the table you have to mention any information whatever you get. So for that one the answer may be different according to your different opinion. Okay, now in that question minimum distance is kilometer is 2 and maximum distance is kilometer is 32 kilometer. So minimum 2 and maximum 32. So you have to start with 0, 0 and 5 and end with the 32 is there, up to 35 you have to take. So you have to make an interval like that one, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 30, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Like that one you have to make. Now how will you mark the telemark? I will told you now telemark. In 0 to 5 you have to take telemark for 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you find that gap 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 you have to mark in the first one. Okay, now I will tell you here how to make the telemark. 5 will come on the second interval. Now writing here suppose 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like that one, 15 to 20. If I make here, so how will you mark the telemark? Just see here, 5 will come on the second one, right, one telemark here, third will come on the first telemark, 10 will come on that one here, 5, 10 to 15, 20 will come not here but in the next interval. You have to write here 25 here, sorry 25 will come on the next one, 11 will come on that 10 one, 13 will come on that again 10 one, 7 will come on there second one, 9 will come on there second one, 2 will on the first one, 9 on that third one, 6 on that second one, and then 15 will be on that fourth one, again 15 fourth one, 7 will come here, so you have to double like that one. So for that one you have to make a table like that. Okay, now I will show you on the notebook. It is a rough one only. Now you see the figure one. So when you check 0 to 5, when you put all the telemark na of this 40 engineers, you see there in the first column you will get here 5, second you will get here only 11, and third one you have to get only 11, fourth you have to take only 9, fifth you have to take only 1 and 2. So right here it is the 5, it is 11, 11, 9, 1 and 2. In the last you have to total you get only 40. Now I will verify any one of the class intervals. Suppose I am going to verify 15 to 20. How many they are? 9. Just check between 15 20 how many are there. I am just going to the verification only. But whatever I am writing they are already correct. 15 to 20, just check 9 value are there not. 15 to 20. So 15 to 20, 15 to 20, this will come, this will come, this will come. No, sorry, 15 to 20, no, sorry. 15 to 20, this will come, 15 to 20, this will come, this will come, 15 to 20, also come, also come. I'm writing here 15 to 20, okay. 20 don't count. and then 15 we have to count 15 also, 18 also we have to count out, and then 15. Now just see how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and even left 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 15. No one. Now just count how many are there. 1 2, how many? I just see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just see how many are there. Just see they are 9. So it means our answer is correct. Now just see 20 to 25. Only one you get. 20 to 25. Just see. I'm writing here 20 to 25. Only one you get here. 20 to 25. Only 25 will count in the next one. Only 20 you get here. Only one value, na. That's why you have to write here only one. Okay. So like that one, you have to make a frequency distribution table. For that interval, just check the number. If the number is 25, suppose, so 25 will come in that one, so write here 1. If the number is 24, 24 will count in that one, so write here 1. Like that one, you have to make the tally mark. So when you mark all the tally mark, in the last you have to count, you will get the same total as 40. Now second part is that it is the frequency distribution table for question number 2. Now second part is that what main feature do you observe from the particular representation. Now just see tabular representation. Just see maximum number of engineer have their houses up to 20 kilometer. Only 3 engineers are there whose distance more than 20 or 25, 30 up to 35. Okay. So what information you got here? Either you can write here only 4 engineers are there whose distance from their house to their office lies between 20 to 35. Okay. Or you can say that maximum number of engineers are lying between 0 to 20 kilometers from their house to their office. So maximum number are there only, they are the very less number. So maximum engineer come from 0 kilometer to 20 kilometer. Like that one you have to write out. Okay. So different students have different opinion. So they are the different answer for that question. Now writing here a simple one. If you want, you can write the same. Here we observe that maximum number of engineers reside within 20 kilometer from their place of work. So what is the maximum number of engineers lie within only 20 kilometer. Okay. So I'm writing that one. If you find some other one, you can write that one also. Come on the third question. Third question is the relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. Okay, humidity is given here. Now first part is construct a group frequency distribution table which classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88. Okay, you have to take the interval of only 2. So like that one, as I making this last 2 question, like that one you have to make. Which month or session do you think this data is about? What is the range? Okay. Okay, I will tell you one by first. We may have to make a frequency distribution table. Now minimum relative humidity is 84.9. If you see the minimum value, na, so minimum value is 84.9 here only, and maximum value is maybe 98.2 or 99.2. So you have to write here minimum relative humidity is 84.9 and maximum relative humidity is 99.2. And we can take the class interval. In the question they told you have to start from 84 to 86 now. So you have to take for 84 to 86, then again to 86 to 88, it is 99 now. So up to 100 you have to take. Now just make a frequency distribution table. You have to make the class interval like that one. Up to 100 you have to take, and the last one is 98 to 100. Now construct a group. Okay, now we have to make a frequency distribution table. Just write human relative humidity in first column, tally mark is second, and frequency in third. As I told you how to make the tally mark, just see one I am telling you, remaining you have to do by yourself. Just see the question. First one is 98.1, 98.6 and 99.2. 98.1, 98.6. Okay. 98.1 will come in which column? That column. 98.1. And 98.6 again come in column. And 99.2 again come in this column. Okay, like that one. So you have to read all the data whatever given here and write all the tally mark according to their information. Okay. Just see first anyone. If you see it is 92.7 and 95.1. So in which column they lie? 92.7 One by one you have to take. 92.7 will come on that column, and 95.2 will come on that column. So like that one you have to make a frequency chart. So what will you get here? In the first one you get here only 1 mark, second one only 1 mark, third one 2, fourth one 2, fifth one 7, and then 6, and then 7, and then 4. When you add, you will get here 30. You will get here 30. In the question also 30 days are there, I think. So there it is only the month of a 30 days. So you get that total. It means your answer is correct. Now frequency table you have to got. Now which month or season do you think that this data is about? Just see here, humidity is very high. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is 7. So very high, up to 92 to 94. So this humidity is high only in a month of rainy season. So it means that this data appear to be taken in a rainy season. Why it is rainy season? As the relative humidity is high. Relative humidity high, so it may be a rainy season. In rainy season, relative humidity is always high, na, that's why. Now what last question is, what is the range of this data? So there is a formula for the range. Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation we write in the start is 99.2, and the minimum or the lowest observation is 84.9. As I show you in the starting, we have to write here, it is our minimum relative humidity, so it is the lowest observation, that one. Maximum, it is the highest observation. So you have to write that value in the formula. So when you subtract, you will get here 14.3. So range is 14.3. This is your final answer. Similarly, question number 4, 5, 6 you have to do in homework. I will show you what is question number 4, 5 and 6. You have to do by yourself in homework. Just see 4, 5 and 6. Question number 4 is the height of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeter. Okay, height of 50 students are given here. Represent the data above by group frequency. Again you have to make a group frequency distribution table taking class interval 160 to 165. Okay, how will you make here? Like that one, 160 to 165, and then 165 to 170, and then 170 to 170. Like that one you have to take. And what is the last value? Highest observation is where? Just see, 171 I see here, 171. I think 171 is the highest, or someone else. Just check. 172 I get here now. Okay, I think 172 is the highest. So up to 175 you have to take. Up to 175 you have to take. Okay. So when you make in the same way 161, then write in the table of, if it is 160 to 165, in that table write here 150. Like that one you have to write here. Okay. So they start from 160. Just see what is the lowest observation here. Lowest observation is what? 150 here, or any value in 140. I think 150 is the lowest. So right here 150 to 155, and then 155 to 160. Up to which value you have to write out? Maximum value, as I told you, it is 172 na. So up to 175 you have to take. And then the last you have to write the telemark 161 right in the that column, 150 in that column. In the last you have to count out, and total you have to get the 50. So you have to do that question in homework. Just see question number 5 also. A study was conducted. Okay, some information is given here. Make a group frequency distribution table. So in that question also you make a group frequency distribution table, as I make in question number 3. So this part also you have to do by yourself in homework. And question number 6 also, 3 coins are there. Information is given here. You have to make only frequency distribution table. So as I make here in this 3 question, it is also a frequency distribution table. This one, and second one is also a frequency distribution table. It's for that class interval. And third one is also the frequency distribution table, as I told you, is also in class interval. So like that one, 3 part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on question number 7. In question number 7, the value of pi up to 50 decimal place is given below. Okay, pi are there. After decimal they are 50 place. Just that is 3.1415926535889, like that one. So after decimal they are, how many digits are there? 50 digits are there after decimal. Make a frequency distribution table from the digit 9. Okay, you have to make a frequency distribution table from the digit 0 to 9. Means your brother digit 0 and then 1 then 2 up to 9 you have to write, and just write the tally mark here. It is 1, then in front of 1 you have to write. It is 4, then in front of 4 you have to write. It is again 1, you have to write. Like that one you have to mark the tally mark. In the last you have to make a table. Write the most and the least frequently occurring digit. Okay. Which come maximum time, write that digit, and which come minimum time, write that digit also. Okay. Now I will make show your table. First you have to write the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the tally mark, right here the frequency. Now just see if first one is 1, 14159. So it is what? 1, 4, and then 1, and then 5, and then 9. Like that one you have to write all the tally mark as I make here already in advance. So for the first one you get here only 2. For the for the one digit, 0 come 2 times, one digit come 5 times, two digit come 5 times, three digit come 8 times, four digit come 4 times, five digit come 5 times, six digit come 4 times, 7 also come 4 times, 8 come 5 times, and 9 come 8 times. Now just see which come maximum time. Maximum time is 8 here na. So maximum digit is 3 and then 9. So which is the maximum occurring digit? 3 and 9. And which is the rarest, which is the last one? Last one is here 2, that is 0. So 0 come minimum time and 3 and 9 come maximum time. So you have to write here the most frequently occurring digit are 3 and 9 because they have to come up to 8 times now. So most frequently, which has the more frequency, they are the 8, 3 and 9. They have to come 8 times, and the least frequency occurring digit is 0. They have to come only 2 times. So it is your answer of this question. Simply I make here, that's why I take in a very short time. But when you make the tally mark by yourself, you will take time for doing that question. Okay. Now come on question number 8. 30 children are there, were asked about the number of hours they watch TV program in a previous week. Okay, we have to take a group of 30 students, and now we are asking how many hours you have to watch the TV in the last week. Then first student say I am watching only 1 hour, second one say I am only 6 hours, then 2 hours, then 3 hours, then 5 hours, 12, 5, 8, 4, 8. Like that one, 30 students give their opinion at how much time they have to watch the TV in the last week. Okay, now make a group frequency distribution table for this data, taking class with 5. Okay, you have to take interval 0 to 5 like that one because 5 only come there, and class interval is 5 to 10. Okay, 5 to 10. So what is the minimum value is 1, and maximum value is what? 15, 15, 17 also. Up to 20 we have to take them. So just write here minimum number of hours is 1, maximum number of hours is 17, which is 5. So what is the classes you have to take? You have to take 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and last 15 to 20, because the last value is 17 na? Up to 15 to 20 you have to take. Now frequency distribution table is given below. Just write here number of hours 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 to 20. Second one tally mark, and fourth one is frequency you have to write out. Now just see first one say 16235, 16235. So 1 come here in the first column, 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3 again here, 6 1 the second one, and then 5 in the second one. So like that, when you have to draw the tally mark, when you complete all this data, na, it means when you read all this number, first you have to read all this number, and then this number, and then this number. In the last you have to get that tally mark like that one. Same tally mark you have to get. Now just count 5 and 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, and 3, 13, 5, it is 2. Now just check 10, 23, 23 and 2, 25, and 5, 30. So they already told 30 student, total is correct. It means your answer is correct. Now how many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? Television for 15 or more hours. 15 and more hours will come here or not, because it's 15 to 20. So this class interval show the value of 15 or more than 15, because 15 is there, 16 there, 17 there, 18 there, and 19 there. So these all values are more than 15 or not. So this class interval tell. Now how many students are there? Only 2. Only 2 are there. So right here, 2 children watch television for 15 or more hours a week. Only 2 children are there who watch the TV for more than 15 hours. And 5 children are there who watch the TV between 10 to 15 hours. Like that one you have to say. Okay. So how many children are there who watch the TV more than 15 hours? So they are only 2 students. It is your answer. Now this 9th question also you have to do in homework. Now I will show you what is the 9th question. Last question of this exercise. because these are the practice question na. Out of this 9 question already I am solving here 5 question, and 4 question you have to do by yourself in homework in order to make a more practice. If you do more practice, then question become very easy for you, and you also practice how to make a frequency distribution table. So I will show you here in 5 question, 4 question you have to do by yourself, so that you have to perfect in that question. Okay. So question number 9, a company manufacture car batteries in particular type. Their lives of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. Okay. The record is given there. Construct a frequency distribution table for this data using class interval of size 0.5, just like 2 to 25, 2 to 2.5, sorry, 2 to 2.5. So you have to write here 2.0 to 2.5, 0.5 gap you have to take only. So only simple information given there. First you make a class interval, like that one, and the telemark 2.6 in front of the data one, call one telemark 30, then 37, like that one, 3.7, sorry. So like that one you have to draw a frequency distribution table. Right here the class interval, right here the telemark, and right here the frequency. Class interval they told you have to take 2.0 to 2.5, and 2.5 to 3.0, and 3.3, like that way to the telemark after observing the minimum observation, the maximum observation, and then after that you have to write the telemark in front of that particular class interval. In the last you have to count how many telemark are there. You will get a required answer. Okay. So class question 9 also you have to do in homework. So if you have any doubt in these question of frequency distribution table, or if you have any doubt in making a frequency distribution table, you can ask me now. Thank you.